the professional. Hey guys, this is Arash from Motogang. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have Chevy Camaro 2020 model SS, and we're going to do the full wrap, full color change from the black to the satin volcanic, kind of the color shift from 3M. So today I'm going to show you how to wrap the front fender. And please, before the start, subscribe my channel to make our family more bigger. And let's get into the video. So I already cleaned this panel with the alcohol 70%, and then I did the plywood before that, and now that is the final clean with those kind of sticky pad to as much we can cover the dust. And then this is the new series of the 3M satin volcanic, so it's going to be nice color, actually looking good on camera. I have to cut the extra bit. Always, before getting too slippery, the panel after using the that pad. So, enough to make it sure. Okay, I put the tape here. Hold it. I don't know why the magnet cannot hold it well. Anyway, now need to cut the extra like that. Extra gonna be here. Okay. So that before I teach you about the other panels, when you want to start wrapping solo, okay, do it this way. Is the much better. First, remove the back paper a bit. Stick it to the one side. And just take it out. Then tension a bit to left to the right or right to the left with the filling direction, and then now for the side, open first lay the film well on the body line, and then now this one. Okay, now everything got glass without the over stretched or something. I just did the cold tension on it. Now I say again, this way possible with the film like Avery, TDM, those type of the film, but kind of like the inostic or Hexis, which is the film having more sticky. Not really possible like that. You have to do it slowly, especially for the gloss film, because if you getting the line or something, it's going to be very noticeable. And then also gonna show you that all the dust or the dirt under the film, because when you're removing the film many times and then try to reposition, always getting the dirt under it. Very gently try to lay the film. When you work on the TDM, always when area you did already squeeze it down, check it again and then do it again, because always left a really small bubble, but it's not big deal, all gonna go away very easy. This area too deep. You can also, when you pass this area, hold it, the film up, and then do it squeegee. But me usually try to not remove the film because of the dust. This area down, everything got glass. So now this area and then totally done. Okay guys, look at that, everything got glass, very clean. If I show you guys close shot, no any dust, no any dirt on it. Always clean the car, clean the shop every single time. So, you know my style, I really care about the dust, but no choice. The reason I like the satin color to work, because main reason it's going to cover or not show you the dust. I really love it, but still, even you clean it many times, but you cannot cover it 100%. So after you glass the film and then lay the panel with the heat gun, check it all the edges, everything sitting well, and then try with the heat gun, make it warm, and then with your finger make the shape for all the edges. Then when you going to cut, that's easy to wrap all the corners. So I'm going to start from here. Do the relief cut here. Guys, I did one mistake here. I didn't put the masking tape. So you should not do that. Always all the edges it's sticking together and then you need to cut over. For sure, like here I did put the masking tape, so you're not going to be worried about any knife mark or something. But usually the professional wrapper know how to control their blade. Okay. This is for here now. I try to trim at the corner. Put your blade behind the two gap between the door and fenders, and then comfortably just cut it and always straight. One thing is really important about 3M you guys have to know, especially when you're cutting the part, because we usually make the scratch on the film and then try with the relief cut from the outside, just rip the film. But careful when you're gonna take this part out, because the 3M sometimes like the paper just rip off, especially in the cold weather. So careful about it. Camaro, this area is so tight, and then car is black. I'm just gonna put a bit inside and then cut it. Very tight. And when I push it in, it won't stick. Anyway, I will fix it. really gently with your gloves. Put the film inside. And now, time to wrap the corner. Okay guys, now I show you how to lay the film, how to wrap, how to do the squeegee and then cut it. Now I'm going to put the camera on the time lapse because I don't want to make a long video. And then after that I will show you how I did all the corner, and then you can see how it look like. Guys, I done with all the cutting, so let's go check together. Look at that edge, fully wrap it, and then all here, all the way down. And then maybe you ask why I didn't remove the front bumper. Two things: the owner doesn't want me to remove the front bumper because she heard about the other people who own the Camaro. When you're removing the Camaro front bumper, it's not going to be 100% fit as the original or how the company did. But I told her this is not makes sense, but she still say don't remove it, so we didn't do it. And look at this edge, this corner, fully covered it without the cut, and all the way. And that color actually looks interesting. Look at that, how it got changed. It's from the bronze coming to the really kind of rusty red. I like it. This is my first time I work with this color. Okay guys, now I'm done with the front fender. Now going to move to wrap the hood. And I hope you guys like the video. I try to show you how to wrap it and then how to fix and wrap all the corner and edges. And if you want any different part for me to wrap for you, please comment below. And then if you have another experience how to wrap it, please share it with me. And that's it. See you guys next time. Take care. Bye.